Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody's trying to create this type of circle, and they actually send me a video that's not in English, and the gentleman does a really good job, but to me, it's a little bit easier to do it this way, and they couldn't quite get it to work out, so I thought I'd show them how to do it my way. I'm just going to take a rectangle, and I'm going to make it 12 inches wide. That doesn't really matter. And then let's hit P, put it in the center of the page to get it off the edge. And then I'm going to grab the shape tool and grab one of the corners, just go to the center so you get an oblong circle. Go to the contour tool. I normally would use the contour tool underneath underneath effects, but this is pretty simple to do it this way. Just grab the contour tool and grab that edge and bring it in to about where you want it. And then you can take the slide bar right here and it'll tell you how many steps you're going to take. And that's pretty much all you have to do. And then the way he was doing it, you have to break the contour apart and combine them and whatever. But if you'll do this and then take an ellipse and make it a 12-inch ellipse, and then hit P, put it in the center of the page, grab both of them and hit T like in Tom to put them at the top of the page. And this is where he intersected and whatever, and I just thought this will be a better way. So we're going to set our nudge factor on like 14 inches, and we're just going to use the Smart Fill tool to create this shape. So I'm going to get the Smart Fill tool, and I'm going to just take every other one and nudge it over. And you get that shape. Now, some people will ask, why do you nudge it over? Why don't you just do this and then go with your right mouse button and just take away the line? Well, the line object is still there if you look. It's grabbing all the way down here. Let's grab just our item, but look at this. There's still some lines there. You just can't see them because they're not marked. I don't think they'd ever come into play, but I just find it's easier to nudge stuff over, and then you can get rid of this. And there's a lot of things you can do with the same design to change it up a little bit. Take the ellipse tool, hold down the control button so you get a perfect ellipse, and with your ratio lock, make this 12 inches, and then just hit P. And since I did move the others, grab your pick tool, and I'm just going to hit P. I hit escape, or I hit delete. Hit the P key. Now you've got a total different look. If you'll look, now this first thing will be longer. I'm going to have to zoom in to get on these smaller lines. But we've already done the outside, so we'll skip one, skip one, skip one. Now you got a totally different look. And you could do that on both ends. And if you had more line, maybe I didn't skip, maybe I skipped two in the other one. Yeah. Whoop. And you can always see which one you did. Matter of fact, you could color them all in, and then that way you'll know that you got them done. So that looks pretty cool. Or just, another option that you could use with the same. Tell you what, let me take this out of the picture, and let's just use the Smart Fill tool on the inside of our circle now. It's kind of, when you're watching this, kind of hard to figure out every other one and trying to talk, but if you do it, there's another cool effect right there, and there's a lot of stuff you could do with this. Control, well, let's do this. Let's take away the fill this time and add an outline, and then let's nudge this over off the edge of the page. Let's Control D and make a duplicate, and then let's rotate it 90 degrees. You get a total different look and something really neat to play with. I don't know what's going to happen when we weld it, but look at that right there. And then take your Smart Fill tool and fill that in. And you get a total different look again. Anyway, so I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.